What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at the Thor Pro by Zeblaze. Now, I've actually had this Xiaomi Amazfit Pace for quite some time, and I love this watch. I've been wearing it ever since I got it. I'll leave a link down below, or you can click right here if you want to check out that video, but this one is really awesome. Maybe this one will replace it. Who knows? Let's find out. Now, this one is about a 1.5 inch IPS touchscreen at 320 by 320 pixels. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's got some weight to it too. Now it is running off of Android 5.1. It has 1 gigahertz core processor and 1 gigabyte of RAM. It also has 16 gigs of built-in memory. I don't think you can extend the memory on here or not, I'm not sure. First off, we've got a little miniature flathead screwdriver with a hole in the bag. There we go. And we got about a 4-foot long USB to micro USB cable. And that goes to the proprietary little charge dock. And we got a user manual. I may need this. This does have 2G and 3G network capability. If I can find a list of the network compatibility, I'll leave that down below, or at least the link to it, but no promises. I don't remember seeing one. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at that. Is that a camera? It has a camera on the side. Okay, time to be creepy. It also has GPS. It is compatible with Android and iOS. It's running off of Bluetooth 5.0. It has a 500 milliamp hour battery, and knowing these smartwatches, it'll probably last you for a while. But there it is. That is a nice looking watch. It's very hefty. It's definitely got some weight to it. Feels very sturdy. All right, so on the side, you've got your power button, you've got your 2 megapixel camera, so you can use it for taking photos by using the camera off the watch or remote control. You've got the return button, and this is the SIM card slot, so we're gonna have to remove these screws. Luckily, it did come with a screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So it's just a slot for SIM card. You know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna put mine in there. I'm gonna take mine out of my phone. Now keep in mind, I have T-Mobile. I do live in Texas. Other providers, I'm not sure. Again, if I find a list, I'll leave it down below. I just realized as I was doing this that it actually came with 2 little baby screws for the back. So they give you replacement screws. Wow, I didn't even know that those came out of the bag. Better be careful, these are tiny. All right, so we got the SIM tool in. Oh, there we go. Now it looks good. Oh yeah. Hey, that's pretty nice. That's a clean looking watch. All right, let's turn this thing on. Oh no. All right, well, it's completely dead, so let's go ahead and plug this thing in. So it's actually real simple. You just line up the connection points, which is like right here, and you snap it in place, and that's it. And now it should be charging. I don't see any light or anything. Oh, there we go. So I got 1%. All right, I'm gonna let this charge up for a little bit and then we'll be back. So movie magic. Okay, so I've let the thing charge, and now this is a day later because when I was done with my video, I had corrupted footage. So I didn't post yesterday, which is why I'm posting it today. It gave me an opportunity to play around with this a little bit more. But I ran into some weird issues with this, and I'm gonna go over that. You can change the faces on it. There is a plus where you can download even more. They have like over 200 different faces. It's got all your basic features that most smartwatches have, like clock and calendar. It does have a browser. You've got messages, you can look at your contacts once you've synced it up. But playing around with this a little bit more, I quickly realized that the software is really bad, like real bad, like really bad. This wheel, a lot of times it'll get stuck, like it'll freeze in place. When I was sitting around playing with it, I kept getting a vibration on it and a message, and it happened so much that I was able to take a picture of it, but it kept saying that it was disconnected, but it wasn't, it was connected. The other thing is I caught a screenshot of when you slide this, oh, there we go, it happened now, look at that. So when you slide it over, all of a sudden it freezes. It's kind of weird, and it happens like that throughout the whole interface. I already uninstalled the software on here. In the software, I would tell it to go check for an update, and I would just get this message, and I think it was in German. I'm not sure, but I didn't get a screenshot of it. It was just so irritating that I just uninstalled the software. Messaging. I got my girl to send me a text message, and I got it. It showed her message, but I couldn't reply to it. The only option was to dismiss it, and then when I went to messaging, I click on it and there's nothing there. It doesn't make any sense. So half the stuff on here doesn't do anything. And this is probably the most frustrating is typing on this. It's almost impossible. You have to have the tiniest fingers in the world to be able to type on this efficiently. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with a whole bunch of the details on this. I'm just gonna say it has a $100 build quality in the sense of materials, and the watch itself, I think it's a good, sturdy, good looking watch, but software wise, it's a huge fail. $100, I'm gonna have to say a big fat pass on this one. It looks cool, but it needs some work. All right, guys, that is it. Again, links down below. Check it out if you want to. I don't suggest it, but as for now, get out of here. This thing's junk. $100? That's crazy. $100. I wouldn't even want to give this away to somebody. Like, it's just not that, it's not good. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands. Shut up, I'm trying to close the video.